So guys, we're here on stage 30 and 31. This is where they filmed The Doctors and Dr. Phil, iconic TV shows for talk, daytime, health, and wellness. We're gonna be on today talking about the cherry lip trend in Korea for lip injections. Can't wait for you guys to see what it's like and the scenes of a day in the life for a TV doctor. All right guys, I gotta get ready. They're calling me to be on stage right now. Give me just a second, I'll be right with you. Guys, I just finished my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I love everything about the TV process. It's so cool, all the glitz and glamour, but I hate getting my makeup done. It's just one of those parts that I just never get used to, no matter how many times I come here. But you do what you do for camera. Hope it looks good. All right guys, so we're about to go downstairs and get started. We just had a great production meeting with Leslie, who's one of the best producers on the show. I absolutely love you and adore you, Leslie. We're gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna get started, meet our beautiful patient, and we're gonna get prepped for the room. We're gonna be with Dr. Orden in the procedure room. He's a legend and an icon, and I'm excited for you guys to see what we're about to do. Dr. Phil, the legend.
Cherry lips are all the rage in Korea right now, and Dr. Orden is in our procedure room with board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Deepak Dugar, showing us how to get that cherry lip look. What's going on back there, docs?
So cherry lips are basically a trend right now in Korea because it's a sensual, kind of sexy way to do lips right now. There's been a trend recently where lips have been overdone, and you see the edges of the lips being turned up, and it looks kind of fake, almost duck-like. And so we're pulling it back to the more conservative version by focusing on the medial aspects.
I think that's what we hear more in the office than anything else when we're starting those lips. I don't want to look quack like a duck.
Yeah, the cool thing about the filler that I want to use today, theirs is the newest expression technology, and the reason I love this filler from Restylane is because the filler itself is really sticky, and if you look at it, it kind of clumps and sticks, and it doesn't really move once you place it, so it ends up being a really nice, soft, supple look inside the lips. So what we do in the cherry lips is we really focus on the medial aspects of the lip versus focusing on the lateral aspects where normal lip injections sometimes are done. And we just want to plump up the body of the lip in the medial aspect to give it a little bit more of a volume where we call kind of the Cupid's bow area. And so by giving that little bit of volume right in the center, you're able to give it a little bit of an accentuation without it looking too overdone and without making the lateral aspect too curled out.
I think that's the key with lips. Less is more, and start off slowly. You can always come back and get more. How do you get that ducky look where when you try to put too much in at one time and focus more on the outer parts and the central part? I like it, Doc.
And again, we're focusing on the center parts. So it's almost like two cherries, two on the top, two on the bottom, just to give a little softness to the lips without overdoing it or having it look like anything was done.
And Dr. Dugar, there is lidocaine, right? There's anesthetic in the filler that you're using that makes it a little more comfortable.
Yeah, this
correct?
Restylane filler has lidocaine inside the syringe itself. So as you inject, it also numbs the lips a little bit. But on top of that, we did use some topical numbing on her lips for about 20 minutes before, so she doesn't feel that much right now.
So you've been comfortable, Alexa?
And for our viewers, how much is this going to cost and how long will it last?
This will last anywhere between 6 to 12 months on general, depending on the type of filler used. There's thicker substances that will last a little bit longer, and then thinner substances will last a little bit shorter, but 6 to 12 months, and this will cost anywhere between $500 to $1,500, depending where you're getting it done.
All right, let's take a look at Alexa before, and let's take a look at Alexa now after she's gotten her cherry lips.
Nice.
A little can go a long way. Thank you so much, Dr. Dugar, for sharing this with us. Alexa, we hope you're happy. We'll be right back.
All right, that's a wrap. Everything went so great. I'm so glad you guys got to come along today and experience what it's like behind the scenes of a TV show. Thank you, Dr. Batra. Thank you, Dr. Stork, Dr. Orden, and of course, Leslie, for having me on the show. It's always an honor to be on the Doctor Show and be able to show our newest techniques here in Hollywood. Anything you need, let us know.